Yeah, so Augmenteer really spans the spectrum between manufacturing, installation, and service, since the needs of those organizations are pretty similar, and frequently our manufacturing customers who make smart equipment also have a service and installation component. So we're unique in the market in that we built our platform on an AI-based technology so that we use that to help them identify where their biggest opportunities for improvement are. But with RealWear, they can also extend that by adding hands-free operation to their manufacturing and service processes. We've had examples where customers have got a 10 to 15% improvement in manufacturing assembly by going to RealWear as their user interface. One of our major customers that produces complex industrial workstations added RealWear into their assembly operation and were able to get about a 10% increase in productivity through their assemblers, because most of their work is hands-on and it's better if they have both hands free to do the work.